All right, everybody, it is A-0667, May 2nd. First and foremost, happy Oaks. And this is what we're doing. We have our structural engineer coming in on Monday to look at a couple items. And we get up in here. We have started the top board work and kickers. That's what it looks like. At this point, we're going to work our way to this splice right where you see it. And everything is clamped together. Now this bottom cord has the new 40 footers coming. And we will start working at that. And by the end of next week, we will be disassembling the bottom section. So the first section will take us a minute. It's tight. You can see how tight the room is here. And you've got 4 guys up there. That's what we're looking at here. And then we start working on tying back in and some work over here. And that's what we look like. Some of the old stuff that came out, split rings. And all of our primary lumber packages that have been cut, and split rings and bolts and everything else guided in and ready. So that's what we're looking at.